Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10, and my name is Ranji Perdan, and my partner is Ria Maradha KM. So, for the presentation, Ria will not present the material because her signal is not good, and her can't send a video to me. So, I will present her material. So, title of this material is Strategies for Instruction Leading to Concept Learning. Basically, strategies is how the way we can use um, the good strategies for the concept. And the first is, what is concept? A concept is a set of specific objects, symbols, or events which are grouped together on the basis of certain characteristics and which can be referenced by particular name or symbol. This is from Merrill and Tennyson, 1997. Characteristic for the concept is learning from example, general to specific ordering, and reductive and inductive reasoning. So example of the concept of a concept is computer, house, adverb, haiku, triangle, blue, cold war, play, commerce cloud, and another for this. So types of the concepts. Concept for this noun by their physical characteristic and abstract are not identified by their appearance, and sometimes concept can fall into either category depending on the ability of the learner. So, inquiry versus expository strategy. Inquiry strategy is present examples and non-examples, and then the learner discover the concept on their own. So expository approach is presents examples and non-examples, but is followed by a discussion where the best examples attributes are described. The learners are encouraged to develop their own examples. So next material is getting the learner's attention using boldface type and highlighting a new term using an unusual picture of humorous story describing the origin or history of the concept. Present the first set of examples and non-examples. So the next is condition of concept learning. For this material, we have some the way. The first is giving great first example that give all the attributes so that the learner has a complete understanding of the concept. For this way, we can use a rational set generator. Second is point out the critical attributes. So the way is called attribute isolation. Provide visual cues. The next is give a match, not examples. The last fourth is practice. For this, practice is the distinguish between examples and non-examples and produce their own examples. The concept learning strategies. For this concept trace, we have a graphics representation of a concepts that show a relationship to other concept. And second is analogies. and we have a compared items may be instructed instructed of one and their own helps make abstract concept more concrete. Need to explain differences mm, and mnemonics and just remember verbal information by words, saying, imaginary, and certain mental image. So the assessments of the concept learning. This is the last material for this presentation. Explain why it is or is not an example of the concept, and the categories examples and non-examples with or without an explanation, and produce their own examples, and can also be assessed on the ability to use the concept to draw inference, and the last is must be applied rather than recalled. So that's all of we are presentation for the mistake. I'm really sorry. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.